Sakit!
Assalamualaikum, Syija.
Hello.
Hello, you are a little bit sengit, nah. Anika,
Hello, Mr. Shaheed, I'm back.
when are we going to study together, Anika?
Teacher, I'm back. I'm going to study now.
Sorry? You what?
I'm studying now. I'm back already.
You're back? Wow. Very good. Shafi, you are sengit. How come you both will start sengit? I think.
Because you use phone.
Yeah. Oh, use phone as sengit. Okay. All right. You will start first, but what's his name will join us later. Now, can I just check? Inshira, you have this book, is it? You are using this book or you have this book? This is your school book?
I never used this book in school, but then this one I buy.
Okay, good. Shafi'i, you have this book, Shafi'i? You use this book or the other one? Discovery.
Yeah, discovering.
Okay, so can you get get both lah, the normal academic and express for this one? Can you go to the bookshop? They may not have like the discovery is the other one, right? I can't get the discovery, so can you get the other one? Okay, this is I think the express one. The express one has no normal academic. Can you see? The normal academic one has the normal academic. So you get both. It doesn't matter because whatever is covered in normal academic is covered in express. But some of the stuff are covered in express are of the higher level. So if you get both, no harm. But if you do not want, you only want to get one, then I suggest you get the normal academic so we can do it together lah. But let me check with what's his name? With Ryan after this, okay? Okay, we will start now. Straight. Wait, you are under home the thing also, is it? Shafi? You cannot go to school.
I can.
Okay, so let us. Where is the button? Anika is there. I feel very nervous now. Anika. Okay, now let us see. Okay, you all started inequalities in school. Have you started? Wait, let me check. Inshira, you started inequalities? You know what's inequalities?
I just started it on Friday.
Okay.
Like
Shafi,
it's just a bit only.
just a bit. Shafi, have you started inequalities?
Haven't.
Okay, can you all get graph paper? We may need graph paper today. You have graph paper now? Can you get graph paper? No graph paper? Then how are you going to do inequalities, Inshira? You got to buy. Okay, never mind. If you don't have, never mind. Next week you all get your graph paper, okay? Because we need to draw the graph. All right. How to draw the graph using Zoom? Okay, we'll see how it goes. But I cannot go so deep now because our friend is not here. Hold on now. Let me see. These pages, I think, will run. Wait. Hold on. This one review. Okay, wait. Sorry. Review. Ya Allah. I got mixed up. Yeah. Okay, can we try question number? Hold on. This one. Have we tried this the other day? Have we tried this one? Yes, sir. Did we start inequalities? Not yet, right? Okay, can you do this one first? These two? But our friend is going to get lost, if he doesn't come soon. So you try not to miss any of the lessons, okay? Because you might get lost. You might be lost, not get lost. You might be lost. If you get lost, it's not so nice to say.
I haven't done inequalities.
Okay, never mind. Imagine it's an equal sign. Imagine it's an equal sign. You know how to do if it's imagine equal sign? But our friend is eating his dinner now. Okay. Maybe I. Okay, never mind. See. So later I need to repeat this because our good friend Ryan is not here. Okay, what's your answer? Miss Inshira? Inshira?
I haven't finished it.
Hey, just this one only, just this one. Very simple. Okay, now I change the sign now. You tell me you can do now. Okay, Shafi, what's the answer?
9.
Okay, so now watch. If just now it was like that, right? So now it will be like that. You know what this means? We'll come to the meaning later. We come to the meaning later, okay? Because I need to re-explain again with Ryan. He's coming shortly. You try the next one, B. Try B. Okay, Shafi, you got answer here. Once you're not moving, what's your answer, Shafi? X. X what? Ishira, you got answer here? Not yet. Okay, maybe you all do not know how to read the sign. Okay, no. All right. Okay, here we go. Okay, in case you do not know how to read the sign, this is Shah. This is Sharifah. Shah is bigger than Sharifah. So can we put bigger like that lah? Bigger. This means bigger. Shah is bigger. Okay. This one means Sharifah is smaller. Can you see the smaller sign here? Down here is bigger. Can you see now? Okay, I repeat again. If you write like that, X, Y, which one is bigger, which one is smaller? In Shira, which one is bigger, which one is smaller? X or Y?
Y.
Y is bigger. Y is bigger, right? Because down here, this is big, then this one is small. Correct. Okay, so we ask Shafi'i. Can you read what this is saying? X. Don't look down here now.
X is bigger than negative 3. Is bigger than negative 3.
X is
smaller than 3.
Okay. So this is a range actually. It's telling you X is bigger than negative 3, X is smaller than 3. Do you get it? Do you understand? Can Inshira and everything. Okay. Now just now, okay, now down here we have the question. The question says minus X is smaller than negative 6. So what's your answer? Inshira, you solved already? Wait. Before that, may I ask check. Maybe the problem is not in the inequality. I think the problem is in the algebraic manipulation. Okay, now you tell me now how to do this. Very quickly, what is X? Anyone? 9. You say 9. Inshira, you say 9. Shafi? Not sure, say not sure. Are you sure or not sure?
Not sure.
Okay, not sure. Okay, now I'm going to tell you. Okay. If you want to get rid of the minus sign, now this is a seesaw. Okay, this is a seesaw. Okay, let's say now you have something. This means it's equal. This is called fulcrum is equal. Okay, let's say equal to what? 9 kg here. Now, if you add more weight, you must also add more weight here, so that it's equal. If you times any number here, you must also times the same number. If you divide the number, you must also divide the number. You understand the rules? Understand? Whatever you do to the left, you must also do to the right. Okay? So now down here, we have a negative number. I don't want negative, I want plus. How to get rid? You can times by negative 1. Negative times negative give you positive. Do you know that? You know that, right? You sure the way you're nodding your head? Shafi'i, negative times negative equals positive. You understand? So you times by negative 1 now here also. This one become negative 9. Can see now? Okay, now Ryan is coming in, so it's good. Okay. So down here, what we do now, shortcut, I tell my students, what do I tell my students? This minus, you bring it to the other side. You drop the minus here, just become the other side, become minus. Okay, we will try again. We try again. Now let's say now you have negative 2x equals to 5. How to do? Can you do? Then we go to inequality. Maybe your issue is with algebraic manipulation. Ryan, do you have graph paper? Next week, bring graph paper. Graph paper. You know graph paper? Don't take now, don't take now, don't take now, don't take now, Ryan. Ryan. Ryan, later, not now. Next week. Yes. Next week. Now, you try this one first. Inshira, you seem to be bullied by so many people. Many people are bullying you. Sabar, ya, sabar. Hey, Shafi'i, help her, Shafi'i. You are a boy, you are the hero. Okay? You must know how to do this first, okay, before we go to inequalities. You don't know this, we're going to have to say later. Okay, Shafi'i, what's the answer, Shafi'i? X equals to? Know how to do, don't know how to do.
I don't know how to do.
Okay, all right, watch. Now, as I explained just now, Ryan, this is like playing a seesaw. Whatever is here, let's say now this is Ryan down here, Ryan. And this one is, let's say, your weight, let's say 50 kg. Let's say. If we add, if we add you into two, you also must cut this into two, then it's balanced. Correct or not? Because the weight that's half is half. If you times by 2, you put another Ryan here, you must also put another 50 kg. Whatever you do to the left must do to the right for it to be equal. Okay, now, so now what to do now? Okay. Now, this is the official explanation. You want this to be x down here. So how to get rid of the negative 2? Just divide by negative 2. When you divide by negative 2, you cancel, becomes 1. Negative divided by negative becomes positive. But if you negative, also divide negative 2 down here. Watch, it becomes, but this negative is here. Is it okay so far? Okay, nah? Ryan, you okay? Shafi, you okay? Yes, okay. Now I show you shortcut. Down here now, like this, equals to 5, right? I can play seesaw. The seesaw method. See what is seesaw method? I'll show you now. Seesaw method, you put over 1, put over 1. This minus 2 now, seesaw is to the bottom and to the top. You can push numbers up and down, the seesaw. But you must have a fraction like that. So this minus 2, I bring it over here, it becomes times minus 2. So the answer is x equals to 5 over minus 2, which is the same. Can see not the seesaw method, but the seesaw method is not magic. What we're actually doing is actually divide by minus 2 here, so we divide by minus 2, but shortcut is like this. Now I show you now, I'll give you now something like that. X 7 equals to 5 over 3. How to do? You try first. I want to get x up here, and I want it to be x equals something. I want it to be like that. Try. Shafi, what's the answer? Haven't yet. Then you're looking around here, very busy home. Inshira, what's the answer? Can't she use calculator, you know? Inshira, what's the answer?
I got 4.2.
4.2. What about Ryan?
Don't finish.
Don't finish. Okay. Shafi, you done? Shafi? You can give me in fraction or so lah, Inshira.
I got 21 over 5.
21 over 5. But this one is not simplest form lah. Divide somewhere.
Yeah, for 1 over 5.
4 1 over 5. Which is the same, huh? Ryan? Not yet. We wait for you for 30 seconds. Shafi, which topic are you at now? Shafi in school.
21 over 5.
Okay, 21 5. Okay, good. All right. I show you now. Watch, Ryan. Watch, Ryan. Very simple. Ryan. I'm gonna flip. Watch, Flip. Remember I told you whatever you do on the left, you do on the right. I'm gonna flip. Nice. I'm gonna shift the 7 up here. 3 times 7 over 5. 21 over 5. Correct. Can see what I've just done. Easy, you know? Oh, another one. Seesaw method. Watch seesaw method. Huh? I am playing seesaw. I push the x up here, now become 5x. I push the 5 down, now this one becomes like that. 7 over 5 equals to x over 3. Correct? Then I push the 3 over here, becomes 7 times 3 over 5 equals to x over 1 lah. Because I push is over 1. So this is 7 times 3 is 21. 5. So I just put it down here. X equals 21 over 5. Can see now? Not so difficult, huh? Which part, Inshira? Are you okay, Inshira? You okay? We try, okay? Until you're confident. Huh? Answer? Please try. Don't need to use calculator. Don't use calculator, Ken. I want you to manipulate the thing. Don't need to use calculator. Give me a fraction answer. It's okay. Shafi, you got answer? No need to use calculator lah. Don't need to use calculator.
Negative 5 over 1.
5 over 1. So yours is 5 over 1 means 5 lah. 5 over 1 is 5, right? Okay, let's say Ryan says 5. What was Inshira and Shafi is? Inshira and Shafi. Shafi, you already done already? You're looking too long at the thing. Not yet. Okay. Inshira, answer?
Yeah. I got 5.
Inshira? 5. Okay. Watch, huh? Watch carefully. I know you have many people there. Don't worry about it. Watch, huh? I'm now going to get rid of negative sign. I get rid of negative sign here. I must also get rid of negative sign here. You see, how is it possible? Times negative 1, times negative 1. Negative times negative give positive. Negative times negative give positive. Shortcut, you get rid of negative, you get rid of negative. Okay, so far? Okay, yeah? This 5 is 5 over 1. Watch, huh? Watch, Inshira, don't go away. Flip. X over 1 equals to 1 over 5. That means x equals to 1 over 5. Okay? Can see not? Ryan? You all look as if you are seeing a ghost now. Please. Hello. You understand what I'm saying? No? Okay, again, huh? First we get rid of the negative sign. I actually times by negative 1, but do you want to do it fast? Cancel a negative, cancel negative. Then flip. But you must put over 1. If you don't put over 1, you get confused also. Because at first like that, say I want to flip, but 5 how to flip? Well, 5 is 5 over 1. You can flip also. Then it becomes like that. X over 1 equals to 1 over 5. X over 1 is x1. X divided by 1 is x. 5 divided by 1 is 5. Okay, you say, I don't believe it's true. Okay, let's try. Let's see. Half, is it equals to 10 divided by, half, is it, don't write this down. Don't write it down. I just want to prove to you. 5 divided by 10, is it the same as half? Hello, yes, sir? Yes, sir? Look, watch, watch. I flip, 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. I flip also. 2 over 1 is equals to 2. It's true. I've just proven to you it's true. You flip. It's okay. All right, we try now another one. And go. Shafi, what's your answer? Anika, what's your answer?
I got negative 2x equals to 7.
Negative 2x. I want x. I don't want 2x. I want x. X is equals to what? You're supposed to solve. Anika, why you're wearing mask at home, Anika? Okay. Ryan?
Finish.
Inshira? Haven't finished. Sorry. Carry on. Shafi, don't cry. Okay. Small matter. Inshira, can I see what you are writing, Inshira? I'm very curious.
I got negative 7 over 2.
Show me. You get 7 over 2. Okay. But can I see your working? Hold on. Don't move. Don't. Show me some more. Don't move. Hold on. Good. Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay. Well done. Congratulations. Shafi, thank you. Shafi, what's your answer? Not yet.
X equals to negative 14.
X, negative 14. So, Inshira, 702. Shafi, 14. Negative 14. That's 14. Negative 14. Okay, what about Ryan?
5 over 14.
What? Again?
5 over 14.
5 over 14. Okay, let's see now. You want to flip up? Flip up, Ken? Okay, we do flip up. You get negative x over 2. 7 over 4. Okay. You want to get rid of 2? You can shift up here. Remember, there's a seesaw here. Push it up here, it becomes minus x over 1 equals to 7 times 2 over 4. So what is it? Negative x equals to 7 times 2 is 14 over 4. Now you want to get rid of the minus. Get rid minus 1 here, you must times minus 1 here. So the minus is transferred down here. You reduce it. Divide by 2. Negative 7 over 2. If this is not good enough for you, we'll do another method. All right, we try now. Let's see. Now 2 over negative x equals to 4 over 7. You can push this up here. It becomes 2 over 1 equals to negative 4x over 7. You already push it up, you see? Now you push up the 7 down here. Push up down here. This is like seesaw, right? push it up, becomes 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14, right? It becomes 14. 14 over 1 equals to negative 4x over 1. So this is the same as negative 4x equals to 14 lah. Right? Now, divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. It's the same thing. 14 over negative 4. Negative 14 over 4, same thing. All right, because the number now will be negative 7 over 2. How? Now, don't worry about the mind. Okay, we try. So I think your problem at Sec 1 is this algebraic manipulation. Am I correct to say that? This was a confusion for you in Sec 1. Is it correct? If you don't clear this confusion, Sec 2, you'll be like me, you'll fail. So we have to clear this. I want to go to inequalities. But if you don't clear this, you're going to have rojak. Okay, so we have to clear this, okay? Today we spend our time clearing this. Inshira, please come back, Inshira. Don't be like Zahira running away here and there. And stop playing with Zahira and Anika. Here we go. Sorry. Ever seen like that? Try. What do we want? What do I'm just joking, Isha. Okay. So down here now, you want to have the final answer x equals to something. Okay, normally they say solve or evaluate. All right. Okay, try. Clue, you can put a 1 over the 2x. That's a clue. You're going to play seesaw. You can put 1 over the 2x. 2x over 1. Then you can play seesaw. Shafi, you got your answer, Shafi? Okay, Ryan, thank you very much. Ryan, how come we got Z? Yeah? Hey, Ryan, this is X, Ryan. This is X. No, Z, guys. This is X. Sorry, this is X. Apologies. Inshira, you need to go. You can go first. Although we'll be very sad. We are very sad that you have to leave us. It's okay, Inshira. Okay, come. Are we ready, Shafi? Shafi happy cousin living. Cousin living. Your answer is the same still? Shafi can get? If not, I'll show you guys. Can I show you? Okay, watch, Shafi cannot, Shafi. You just put over 1 here first. So now, you can play seesaw, right? This one can go up here. Correct? No? You push this up here, this one becomes 2 times 2x. Is 2 times 2x is how much? 4x lah. 4x over 1 equals to 4 minus 5x. You push the 2 up, only left with 1. Because 1 times 2. What? You push the 2 up already, right? So you're left with 1. It's 1 down here, you can get rid of the denominator. It's the same as 4x is equals to 4 minus 5x. You bring that 5x over that side, minus, you bring over, become plus. 4x plus 5x equals to 9x. 9x equals to 4. X equals to 4 over 9. One method. I show you another method. And you must know many methods, okay? Because I'm sure, Ryan, your house in Bukit Batok, you only know one way to go to school and come back, or many ways? Many ways, right? Surely many ways, right? So the more ways you know how to get back home, the more expert you are. Otherwise, you know only one way, someone puts you in a longkang, someone else, you get lost. You know what I mean? Same thing. You must know many ways of getting there. So down here now, you see 2x over 1 equals to 4 minus 5x over 2. Hey, why don't I make it the same denominator? Times 2. Times 2. I get 4x over 2 equals to 4 minus 5x over 2. Can see not? I times 2 to make it have a denominator. I times 2. Now 4x over 2. Can you see? This means 4x is equal to here. I don't need to bother about that. Therefore, 4x is equals to 4 minus 5x, which is the same as here. Can you see what I just done? I make the denominator the same, so the top must be equal to the top one. Can see now? So now 4 equals 5, then we follow the same thing. Sometimes one method you might understand better. Another method not so clear. So you follow the method that you understand. Because both methods are correct. We try some more. We try some more. But before that, we have to ask you some questions. These words you will see right until Sec 4. You will see the word solve. You see the word evaluate. You see the word factorize. You see the word simplify. And I tell you, many students don't know what it means. So Ryan, what is solve, Ryan? These two are the same. These two are the same. Guess. Oh, Shafi, solve, evaluate, factorize, simplify. What's the difference between these two? These two are the same. These two are the same. Okay, you don't know? Remember, solve a murder. When you solve a murder, you must find the murderer. That means they want to see x equals to some value. The equal sign must be there. Because you need to find the value of x. Therefore, you can solve. Can you see now this value? Value. You need to find the value of x. Simplify and factorize, there is no equal. They ask you to susun by your outside your door. For example, you have slippers, sandals, shoes. Put all the shoes one side. So they tell you something like this. They say like that. For example, let's say like this. For example, like that. Okay, they say simplify the fraction by having one denominator. So you combine. You didn't solve anything. You just put it into one. So remember, solve means you will find the value of the unknown. It can be x, it can be y. So evaluate, same meaning. Factorize and simplify is susun. Susun, you know susun? You know Malay, right? Susun. Susun. By you put, for example, where do you use this at home lah? Say you put your Milo. Is it in the toilet? No, right? Unless you're eating Milo in the toilet. Your Milo, your food, your vegetables, your onions, all in the kitchen. Your shoes and all is outside maybe. In the toilet, you have toilet roll, shampoo and what. You are factorizing, simplifying, but you didn't solve anything. You are just arranging it. Same thing. This is arranging. This is finding the value. Okay. Shafi, is your responsibility to tell Inshira this if I forget. Okay. You are the cousin. Okay. I'm not the cousin. You're the cousin. Fine. Now they say solve. That means they want you to find the value of x. Your answer must be x equals to something you must solve. Okay, solve it, please. Solve it. Shafi, you look lost, Shafi. Are you okay? You okay, eh? Shafi, have you solved it?
Mm, 5x equals to 38.
5x equals to 38. Mr. Shafi'i, when they say solve, they want x only. They don't want 5x. They want to know what is x, not 5x. Ryan?
We finish.
Okay, please. Are you all confused by the seesaw method? Honestly,
Yes.
confused? Yes. Okay. Then I will use the long method. Okay, I'll teach you long method because short method you get. Okay, next time once you're ready, I'll teach you by the short method. Now I will teach you long method lah. Sorry. Ryan, you finish already, Ryan. What's on? Cannot hear. You're on mute. Oh, okay, 416. 416 like that, is it? Okay, we are waiting for Shafi. Shafi, that's not, you're one step away, Shafi. Shafi, that's why you say what? 5x equals to 38. So how to do this one from here? Just divide by 5. Lah. Divide by 5, you get 1x. What? Divide by 5. Also divide by 5 down here. X equals to 38 over 5. According to you. I do not know whether it's right or not. Okay, so now let us try now. Okay. So if seesaw method is confusing for you, let's now use the times method. You understand that seesaw? Now here, this seesaw is not the seesaw method. Okay. I want to get rid of 3. I times by 3 over 1. This one you understand? I times by 3 over 1. I cancel. If I times the left side, I must also times the right side. This one you understand so far? Can I times the left side, I must times the right side. You understand? So I get rid of 3 already. Now I left with 5 minus x. Down here, 4 times 3, 12 over 10. So I also want to get rid of the 10. What do? Well, I times the top by 10 and then I can cancel. I times this thing by 10, but the whole thing, you must times the whole thing. Don't only times the 5. You got 2 wives. Isteri pertama, isteri dua. You got to give both 10, 10. 10 million each. 10 times 5, 50. 10 times x minus 5x equals to 12. Okay, down here you understand, Ryan? This one you understand? You sure? Shafi, you understand? Okay, then now here, okay, all right. So now you can do it like that. So you can bring this minus 5x over here, it become plus 5x. Correct? Minus 5x, I bring over, become plus 5x. Then 12, I bring here, becomes plus 12. This is plus 12. I bring there, become minus 12. 50 minus 12. So 5x equals to 38, correct? So 5x is 38. Now, yeah, right? This we have 5x equals to 38. 5 ice cream costs $38. 1 ice cream costs 38 divided by 5 lah. And I will get the answer 7 and 3, 5. Are you okay? But let me have a look at your working. Because from your working, I can check to see what you're doing. You have your working. Just show me. Just put out like I can see. Hold on. Bring it down. Someone. Are you too close? Pull it back a little. Wait, hold on. Okay. All right. Shafi, okay, means Shafi, this part is correct. Okay. So let me see. Okay. All right, thanks. So Ryan, what we do is we're going to use the long method. Okay. I'm not going to teach you a shortcut method, okay? So that we do step by step. You must make sure you understand. Shafi, you understand this one, huh? This last part, you must score the goal, Shafi. Okay, so we try now. You can do right to Shafi, what are you doing with the calculator? I'm very curious. I'm not using the calculator. What calculation are you doing? Now you can do calculation, what? Shafi, you got answer, eh?
X equals to 5/1/6.
Like this? 5/1/6. Okay, we wait for Ryan for a while.
I don't know what to do.
Okay. Come, we do step by step, Ryan. Now, Ryan, we do the flip, That one you understand? Okay, not, Ryan? Can, huh? The flip. So now, this one now 2x minus 7 over 5 is equals to 2 over 3. This part is okay, not, Ryan? Okay, right? Now you want to get rid of the 5. I times 5 down here. I must also times 5 down here. Whatever you times on the left side, must times on the right side. I cancel 5. No more denominator, only 1 only left. Down here now, 2 times 5 is 10 over 3. 2x minus 7 is 10 over 3. Now, Ryan, how to get rid of the 3? I times by
3.
3. Cancel, left 1. I must also times 3, but I bracket it up. Times 3. Now, Ryan, you tell me how to expand this. 3 times 2x, what's your answer?
X.
3 times 2?
5.
6x. 3 times 7? 3 times 7? 21. Plus or minus? This is plus. Times minus is minus. Okay? Is equals to 10. So this minus 21, we can bring it over here, it becomes plus. But if you don't understand that, never mind. Down here, I go in plus 21. Minus 21 plus 21, cancel, right? No, nothing else. So I also plus 21 here. Shortcut, I bring over here, become plus 21. Shortcut. So 6x equals to 31. X equals to 31 over 6, which is equals to 5 and 1/6. Okay? Shafi, you got to answer correct? 5/1/6. Okay. We try again. Now, don't be afraid, okay? Ryan, which part you don't understand, you must tell me. This is the time. There's only 2 or 3 of us or 4 of us here. Okay, nothing to be embarrassed about. I told you, right, in Sec 2, I failed my maths miserably. First time in my life I failed maths was in Sec 2. Because I don't know about this one, I didn't know. Okay, we try now. You try. Yeah.
X equals to half.
X equals to half. Okay, let's see whether he is correct. Just wait for a while for Ryan. And while we wait for Ryan, we'll ask you some mathematical questions. Mr. Shafi, what is the meaning of the word integer? Shafi, Where is she looking? Shafi, what's the meaning of the word integer? Integer. Integer means whole number. Okay. Now, next one. But the whole number can be positive whole number, can be negative whole number, okay? So, is 0 an integer or not? Yes, it is. It is. Shafi, is half an integer? Half an integer? No, okay. 2.7, is it integer? Pi, you know pi. Circle pi, is it integer? No, okay. All right. What is a rational number? Sometimes you see questions that are rational number. Have you seen such word? Rational number. Have you seen? They say rational number. What is rational number? Rational number means numbers that can be drawn on the number line. You know what's a number line? Forgot. Number line like that. Then it's, remember not? So 1, 2, 3, 4.
So X
Do you remember? Okay, X is?
3.
What is? X is 2, is it?
3.
2.
3.
3. 3. Okay, let us see. Let us go through step by step. First of all, okay, I'm going to use long method, okay? I want to get rid of the 10. I times by 10. I times by 10. Once I times by 10 here, this one becomes 3 minus x. This one becomes, I can cancel 1, 5. This one becomes 5x. So, I don't like to have negative numbers. I will bring the negative x to that side. You bring minus x of that, become plus x. 5x plus x. Can you see that? I bring over, from minus become plus. If you don't understand that, no problem. You say, how come bring over can become minus? So it means you plus x here. You must also plus x here. So this one becomes 6x. 6x equals to 3. This is the same as 6x equals to 3. 3 is equal to 6x, 6x is equal to 3, same thing. Now, you want to divide by 6. Divide by 6. Why divide by 6? I want to find what is x. X equals to half. Okay, we try again. So yours is negative half. Did I get it wrong? Can I see yours is negative half? Is it, Shafi? Show me your working. I check which part is wrong. Yeah, you know your mistake. Wait. Don't move. Okay, we will examine your other thing here. Hold on, Now where is Shafi's one? Now this one, can you see? Let us see now. So, you play seesaw method. Seesaw go up, 10x. 2 go up, 2 times, okay, 6 minus 2x, good. So 6 minus 2x equals 10x, good. Minus 2x bring over there is 12x already, what? Correct? 12x positive. 12x equals to 6, correct? So there's no minus. Oh, you mean there's no minus? Then how come I put minus? You got no minus, what? So your answer is wrong. Or maybe I wrote a minus, is it? I wrote wrongly here. Sorry. Why didn't you correct me? Okay. Mistake, my mistake. I thought you said minus. So I wanna, okay. Now I got a tissue, but we wait until Ichira comes in. Otherwise, we lost. Sorry. Sorry. Now then, because I'm coming up with the questions as I.
You go to the toilet.
Go. Can you try this? Can see, yeah? Hold on, I want to make sure that you can see. Can you see? How, guys? Shafi, what's answer?
26 bracket 13x plus 40.
26 bracket.
13x.
What does this mean? You want to find what is x. Okay, what about you, Ryan? Can get? Cannot. Okay. So it cannot be, your answer must be x equals to some number, you know. It must be like that. So, okay, let us go through step by step, okay? Okay, now I start from here. Maybe what we can do, we can get rid of the 3. You times the 3 on the left side, you times the 3 on the right side. Right? So what do you get now? For 2x plus 5 is equals, now this 3 times the 2, because this means times 3, right? 6 times 3 times 2, 6. 5 minus x over 5. Now get rid of the 5 times 5. Now here also times 5. 5 times 4, 20. 20 is on the outside already. You have 2x plus 5 is equals to 6, 5 minus x. Are you confused by this or not first? Ryan, are you okay with this one? This first one, okay, Ryan? Times 3 times 3, okay? Then times 5, okay? Tell me which part you're confused.
Times 5.
Times 5, okay. So I will, let me write this down, this question down here, so that we are not, it's 5 equals to 2, 5 minus x. Okay, this is the question of here. I'm gonna do step by step so that you can see. Yeah. So down here now, for 2x plus 5. If you cannot see, you must tell me. And then 2, 5 minus x over 5. Over 3. It's not over 3. So the first thing I do, I want to times this by 3. And times by 3, the 3 disappears. I times the left side by 3, I must times the right side by 3. This times the 3 down here. So now this one becomes what? This one becomes 4, 2x plus 5. Over what? Over 1 lah. But we don't need to write over 1. Okay, once you cancel, divide by 3, this one get 1. You don't need to write over 1. Let's say someone asks you what's your age. You say, my age is 14 over 1 years. You don't need to put over 1 years lah. Right? It's just 14 years enough. You don't need to say my age is 14 over 1. No need, right? My age is 14 years. Same thing down here. So over 1, I remove it already. Down here, just now we times 3, right? So must also times 3 here. 3 times 2, 6. 5 minus x over 5. This part, so far, okay not, Ryan? So far, okay? You sure? Shafi, so far, okay? Okay. Now the next step, Ryan, you tell me what's the next step now. I do not want this 5. What do I do?
Times by 5.
Times by 5 on here. Cancel, cancel. I must also times by 5 to the left side of the equal sign. So 5 times 4 is 20. Can see now? Now here there's a 4, right? So 5 times 4 is 20. So it's still in the bracket. Don't take out the bracket yet. Now here is 6, 5 minus x. Now then we take out the bracket. For all the years you have been practicing, all the months you've been practicing, expanding, expansion, now you got to use it. Okay, we ask Shafi. 20 times 2x, what's your answer, Shafi?
40x.
40x. 20 times 5.
100.
100. 6 times 5.
30.
6 times x minus x.
6x.
Minus 6x. The plus times minus minus.
Yeah.
So now, this one over here, okay, boys, you can have minus 6x here, right? You do not want, you bring it to the other side lah. So you bring it to the other side, become plus 6x. So now down here become 40x plus 6x. And then this one, this 100, you do not want here, you bring the other side. Plus 100, you bring the other side, become minus 100. So equals to 30, I just copy 30 down. Plus 100 now become minus 100. Okay? So now down here become 46x equals to 30 minus 100 is minus 70. This one you must understand. Huh? You have $30, you owe $100. After you pay, you still utang money. Okay? If you're confused, you must tell me, then I've got to go through this with you again. If this basic thing you're not sure, you must tell me, okay? Then x equals to 70 divided by 46 lah. That's your answer, your final answer, which is equals to 1 and 24 over 70, something like that lah. And you get your answer. Now, is it confusing? Shafi, confusing? Ryan, is it confusing?
A little bit.
But is it getting better, Ryan? Is it
Yeah.
getting better? Are you getting okay? So maybe you don't expect everything you're gonna master in one day. A little bit. After what, you get the hang of it. Okay. This Inshira is still not here, so I'm just gonna proceed. Okay. Or she sent me a message. Let us see what the message is. But never mind. I'll write the question here, and you try to do it. Ken? Oh, Inshira is coming in. Okay. Let us see. 36 over y equals to 10 over.
Sorry. Buangkan, Dik.
Okay, Inshira, we are doing this question. 36 over y equals to 10 over 2y. We want to find what is the value of y. Oh, sorry. I didn't know. Anyone got the answer? Shafi got the answer? Inshira got the answer?
I'm not sure how to do.
Okay. Because you have just missed the last 20, 30 minutes. Okay, never mind.
15 1 over 3.
15 1 over 3 says your cousin. What about Ryan?
52.
52. Okay. So I'm going to show you step by step. Inshira, please watch. Okay. 36 over y equals to 10 over 2y. This is 10. Now we can do the flip. Inshira. I flip here, I flip here. I proven to them just now. Let's say now you have 5 divided by, 10 divided by 5 is the same as 2 over 1. Is it true? 2 divided by 1 is 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Is correct. Now I flip. I make it 1 over 2. I flip 5 over 10. Can you see it's still the same? 5 divided by 10, you divide by 5, divide by 5, you get half. Same thing. So you can flip. So what do I flip? Why do I flip? I want the y to be on top. Why? Because that's how it is. We want the y to be on top, not below. So y over 36 equals to 2y over 10. I have just flipped. This one go up, this one go down. This one go up, go down. Inshira, okay? So far, okay? Inshira. She's frozen. Okay, next step.
Yes,
I
yes.
want to get rid of 36. I times 36 here. Zang. If I times 36 on the left side, I must times 36 on the right side. Okay, so you get what? Y equals to 36 times 2, 72y over 10. Ryan. Now what to do, Ryan? Down here. I times by 10. Zang. Wait, something wrong. Something is wrong. I am so sorry. Something is wrong with the equation. Very, very sorry. So times 10. 10y equals to 7. Something is wrong. I'm so sorry. This one is wrong. Very, very sorry. Let me see. I'm sorry. This whole thing is wrong. I forgot to put a number down here. Okay, very sorry. Now, that means my question is wrong. My question is wrong. But let us go now to another question that inshallah won't be wrong this time. Okay, I'm just going to be safe. So sorry about this now. Very, very sorry. Sometimes when we create a question on the spot, that happens. Shafi, what's your answer, Shafi?
Y equals to 2 5/6.
2 5/6. Anyone else? 2 5/6. What about Inshira?
I got 3.5.
3.5. No problem, no problem. What about Ryan?
To do it.
Still doing okay. So while we're waiting for Ryan, we will ask Inshira some questions. Same question I asked your cousin. Inshira, what's the meaning of integer? Integer means guess, I guess. If you don't know your cousin, but they help you. Cousin, help her, cousin. What is integer?
I don't know what's integer.
Whole number.
Whole number. Integer is whole number. Whole number that can be positive, negative, and zero. Now, one more meaning. What is the meaning of rational number? Rational number.
So it's
No.
four.
Okay, we ask cousin. Say, cousin, what is rational number? Cousin, Shafi. Ryan, you done already, Ryan? What's your answer?
3 out of 4.
3 out of
4.
4. Okay, so we got 3 different answers here. 3 out of 4, 2, 5, 6, and 3.5. So let us see. Okay, rational number, we come back to that, is number that can be represented on a number line. You know what's a number line? So, but then I come to that. Now, first thing we do, we get rid of the 3 times 3 times 3. You times 3 on the left side, you must times 3 on the right side. Because there's an equal sign. This is like a balance on the seesaw. You times the weight down here, you must also times the weight down here. You tambah the weight down here, you must also tambah the weight from here. You minus the weight down here, you must minus the weight from here. You divide the weight from here, you must also divide the weight from here. Okay? So far, is this okay? Inshira, okay? You understand? Ryan, okay? Okay, Shafi, you seem to be okay. Okay, now, once you're done that, this one becomes 15. This one, 2, 3y minus 1. So now we ask Inshira, can you expand and expand this? Can you expand this? 2 times 3y. 2 times 3, 2 times 3.
6y.
2 times 1. 2 times 1.
6y.
6y, yeah, correct. 6y. 2 times 1?
2.
2. Plus or minus? Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus times plus. Plus times minus is minus. So you get something like this. So now 6y equals to 15. You bring over the minus 2, bring over the other side, become plus 2. Is it okay? If you don't understand, bring on the other side, never mind. How to get rid of this 2? You plus 2 here. Then you must also plus 2 here. But you see, you plus 2 minus 2 becomes 0. This one becomes 0. Then this one becomes 7 plus 2, 17. 6y equals to 17. Y equals to 17 divided by 6. 17 divided by 6 is 2 and 5, 6. How? Are you okay? You do okay. You must look at your working, find out which part do you get wrong. So can you tell me this one you understand or plus 2 now? Minus 2 plus 2, you understand, Inshira? Inshira, you understand?
But I don't know why you times 3 at the 5.
Oh, okay. Y times 3 at the 5. Okay, now we got to be coming all the way back. Now this is Inshira. Okay, this is cousin. Cousin now he got a special photocopier. He can photocopy himself. He become 3 cousin. You think it will be balanced or it will be sengit, right? How are you going to be balanced? Because he going times by 3, 1, 2, 3 to get 3. You also must times 3. So if you times 3 on the right side, you must times 3 on the left side. You times 3 on the left side, must times 3 on the right side. For example, you get it now. So down here, why we times by 3? Because we want to get rid of this 3. We don't want this 3. So we times by 3 cancel. Down here, okay, I show you clearly. Yeah. At first, it's like that. You see this 3, I don't like this 3 lah. Don't like 3, what you do? You times by 3 lah. Times by 3, you see, can cancel. But if you times by 3 on the left side, you must also times by 3 by the right side. Can you understand now? Now this one become 15. This one no more, become 1. Over 1, you don't need to write over 1. Let's say your age, I ask you what's your age. You say my age is 14 over 1. What is over 1? You just tell me it's 14. Same thing. Now it's 2, 3y minus 1. Don't need to put over 1. You put over 1, it become more confusing. So now down here, I should expand 6y minus 2 equals to 15. So now when I get rid of 2, what do we do, Ryan? You can bring over that side, becomes what, Ryan? Minus 2, you bring over here, become plus. Because minus, you bring over, it become plus. If you're not sure how to get rid of this, you plus 2 lah. If you plus 2 on the left side, you must also plus 2 on the right side. Becomes plus 2 also. Can you see? You see 2 methods of doing it. One is you bring over minus become plus. But you say, I don't understand that. How come we bring over become magic? You say, okay, never mind, we plus 2 here. When you plus 2 here, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, right? So you must also plus 2 here. Because you just plus 2 here. Whatever you plus on the left side, you must plus on the right side. So this one becomes 17, 6y equals to 17, y equals to 17 over 6. And then you get your answer. Can we do 1 or 2 more questions? Let us try. Inshira, what are you looking at, Inshira? Today, you are a little bit distracted. Cousin also distracted. Ryan, he's the only one who's quite focused. I think so. I think so. Sorry. Okay, you try. There's so many ways to solve this. Shafi'i, focus, Shafi'i. Last few minutes. Focus. Don't let Shafi'i.
20y equal 20y minus 8.
20y minus 8.
Wait.
We want to find out what's the value of y. Y equals to what? Don't forget, this one is solved. Inchi, what's the answer, Inchi?
I haven't get yet.
Okay. Ryan, can do Ryan?
Still doing.
Still doing, okay. Oh, my hair is like a should cut, huh?
Two six over 17.
2/6/17. Let us see whether it is correct. We'll just give a few more minutes to the two of them. Inshira, don't cry. It's just okay, in 1 minute's time, get the answer. I'm going to show you the answer. All right, here we go. Ready, yeah? Or not? Can we try? I show you, Can show or not? Okay, down here, we times by 3. Why times by 3? I want the y to be nothing beneath. Down here also times by 3. You get 3/6. Can divide, 1/2. So 1/2 is equals to 2 5y minus 2. Now what do? I can also times by 2/1 to get rid of it. Then I must also times by 2 down here. Because I times by 2, so I get 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 5y minus 2 equals to 1. Are you confused this part? Inshira, you understand? Can, Ryan, you can get it? Inshira cannot get it. A little bit, okay. You can focus again. We start again from the beginning. Down here at first, I times by 3. Why I times by 3? I want to get rid of this 3. So I times by 3. The rule says, if you times the left side by 3, you times the right side by 3. So I times by 3. I times by 3, I can reduce the 3 and 6. I can divide by 3. I can divide by 3. Divide by 3, I get 1. Divide by 3, I get 2. So now it becomes 1/2 is equals to 2 5y minus 2 over 1, right? Now here is over 1, but I don't need to write over 1. It's understood. It's understood. How, Ryan? Ryan understand so far? Cannot? Tired already. Inshira, cannot? Don't know whether Inshira, okay, yeah? Now down here is 1/2. I do not want over something. I want to times it by 2. I times by 2, I get 1 whole. If I times down here by 2, down here also I must times by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Bracket 5y minus 2. Now I need to expand. Watch, 4 times 5, 20y. 4 times 2, 8. This is plus times minus. So 1 equals to 20y minus 8. I bring this over the other side. So I get 20y equals to 1 plus 8. Why plus 8? Minus, you bring over the other side, become plus 1. So now you have 9 equals to 20y. Which means what? We mean 20y equals to 9 lah. So what is y? Y equals to 9/20. Hey, you all look lost. Okay. All right. Okay, in that case, I tell you, next week, You want to go through this again, or you want to go to inequalities and graph? One by one. Inshira, what do you want? You want to go through this again? This is actually Sec 1 work, right? A little bit high level, but Sec 1 work still. I can go through the whole this again. I will start from the very beginning of thing until you are very clear. Okay? Next week we go through again. This one. Ryan, is it okay? But meanwhile, you must do some practice lah. You try to do some of the practice stuff in your book. You have a few books, right? You have this type book, your school book, your textbook. Let's say you have this book. Okay, do some of this book, similar type questions. Where do you get this? Well, you can get this down here. Can you see this one? This is exercise what? 1B. All right, there's some questions here. You got even higher level down here. You see, I'm giving you all this. 1B is here. These are similar questions, you know. This is in chapter 1. But in order to master chapter 1, your Sec 1 algebra got to be quite good. So what I'm doing now is I'm cleaning your Sec 1 algebra, which is okay, no problem. So we can go through again. That means we won't start inequalities yet until you are okay with algebra. Okay? So you practice on your own. Next week, before the lesson, you WhatsApp me, you tell me which questions you don't know. Give me the questions, show me your working. Show me your working. I need to see your working. Because I do not want you to give me your homework, your school homework, that I do everything for you, you are very happy. You know, I want to see your working. Then I know what you are thinking. Oh, you're thinking the steps like that, I can correct you. But I leave it up to you because your parents cannot force you. You got to force yourself. You're already adult already, right? All of you can be mothers and fathers already. True, right? Well, you look like mothers and fathers then. Okay then. All right, we catch up again next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.